In the heart of Japan, ancient traditions whisper tales of mastery. But who will carry these echoes into tomorrow? Meet Master Tanaka, an 85-year-old lantern craftsman from Gaifu, his hands. Though trembling, hold centuries of skill. He uses techniques passed down from his great-grandfather, a living link to a fading art form. From the quiet workshop, we journey to the vast, deep blue of the ocean, where another ancient practice endures. Here, the Ama divers, guardians of the sea, continue their 3,000-year-old tradition. She descends 30 meters without modern equipment, a testament to human resilience and connection to nature. Her granddaughter, a marine biology student, learns these precious skills, bridging ancient wisdom with modern knowledge. In bustling Tokyo, Master Kenji is the last handmade tatami mat weaver. His craft is a quiet protest against mass production. He meticulously weaves each mat, a process demanding precision and patience, a skill few still possess. A young apprentice, roll_05, learns at his side, but the future of this demanding art remains uncertain. Further south, in Okinawa, Master Hiroshi is the last traditional wooden boat builder, shaping wood with ancestral wisdom. Every curve, every joint tells a story of the sea and the hands that built these vessels for generations. His young apprentice, roll_07, watches intently, grappling with the immense skill required to master this craft. The No Theater, a pinnacle of Japanese performing arts, relies on masks carved with profound emotional depth. Master Sato, a no-mask carver, roll_08, brings wood to life, capturing the essence of human feeling in each stroke. From wood to sugar, artistry takes many forms. The Amozaiku artist transforms hot candy into ephemeral sculptures. Master Kato, roll_09, works with incredible speed, sculpting intricate animals from hot sugar before it hardens. In Osaka, Master Hiroshi, roll_10, is the last letterpress printer, a bridge between worlds of ink and paper. He painstakingly sets movable type, hand inks, and prints 1 page per hour, a stark contrast to modern speed. The rhythmic clatter of the press echoes a bygone era, preserving the tactile beauty of printed words. Finally, we witness the spirit of kendo, taught by a 90-year-old sensei, embodying grace and discipline. Elementary school children, roll_12, practice with clumsy swings. Their youthful energy, a stark contrast to his mastery. His perfect, fluid form inspires hope that these traditions, though challenged, will find new life in future generations. Japan's masters and their apprentices, guardians of a heritage, shaping a future where ancient crafts can still thrive.